Namaste. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla. This video is all about an important health topic. So please stay tuned until the end.
Buttermilk. Subject inputs by Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, MD Ayurveda. Fascinating points. Buttermilk is prepared by thoroughly blending water and curd. 5 types of buttermilk are described in Ayurvedic texts. These are known as ghola, prepared from the curd with fats. Mathita, prepared from curd after removing fats from it. Takra, prepared by adding 1/4 amount of water to curd. Udashrita, prepared by adding 1/2 amount of the water, and Chachika, made by constantly removing the butter from curd. The qualities of buttermilk are poetically described in Ayurveda, according to which the person who regularly consumes buttermilk never meets unhappiness in life and never suffers from relapse of any disease. As gods consume the nectar of life, Amrita, humans have buttermilk for a healthy life. Buttermilk is prepared by processing curd. Due to this processing, the qualities of buttermilk differ from that of curd. The durability of curd is more than milk, and that of buttermilk is more than curd. Curd often vitiates kapha dosha, which gets accumulated in the body channels and causes swelling oedema, whereas buttermilk helps in removing the accumulated dosha and reducing oedema. Buttermilk, when digested, results in a sweet final form, vipka. Hence it subdues the pitta dosha. Pertaining to its sweet and sour taste, it subdues the vata dosha, and due to hot and easily spreading qualities, it subdues the kapha dosha. Medicinal uses. Chronic indigestion. In case of chronic indigestion due to the diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, chronic fever, liver and spleen enlargement, etc., buttermilk is very effective. Especially for chronic dysentery, it is supposed to act as the best medicine because buttermilk inflames the digestive fire, thus working as an appetizer. It also helps in forming the stools of normal consistency. Excessive bleeding. In case of excessive bleeding during menstrual periods, buttermilk, kept in an iron vessel, should be given. Also, buttermilk cooked along with onion should be given for the same purpose. White discharge. Buttermilk prepared from curd prepared from cow's milk should be given along with rice starch, kanji, for a month, in case of white discharge in females. Cardiac disorders. In cardiac disorders, buttermilk without adding salt or sugar should be taken to enhance smooth bowel movements. Gaseous distension. For gaseous distension of the stomach, buttermilk should be taken along with asafoetida, salt, and ginger. Morbid thirst. Buttermilk acts as a thirst quencher, appetizer, and mild diuretic. It is also beneficial in diabetes. Skin disorders. For skin disorders, the paste of margosa leaves, turmeric, long pepper, and black pepper prepared in buttermilk should be applied to the affected area. Fresh buttermilk has a cooling effect. Therefore, in all the above mentioned diseases, buttermilk should be used as food as well as medicine. A word of caution. Salt, cumin seeds, asafoetida, and ginger add to the flavor of buttermilk, but salty buttermilk, if kept for a long time, reacts with lactic acid and is harmful to the body. Seasonal recipes for buttermilk. In the rainy season, along with rock salt; in summer, along with sugar; in spring, along with powder of black pepper, long pepper, and ginger.
Feeling great for your interest. I am signing off for now. In the next video, I will meet you with another topic. For more interesting videos like this, Please subscribe this channel and click the bell button. Shatam Jeeva Sharado Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan Shatam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, be positive and keep smiling. Love you all. Subham.
డాక్టర్ చిరుమామిళ్ల మురళీ మనోహర్ ఎండి ఆయుర్వేద రక్ష ఆయుర్వేదాలయ ప్లాట్ నంబర్ 13 రామ్మూర్తి నగర్ సిబిసిఐడి కాలనీ హైదర్ నగర్ హైదరాబాద్ 5,85,000 తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ ఇండియా ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ కుక్కట్పల్లి ఏరియా మెట్రో టైన్ పిల్లర్ నంబర్ A663 ఈమెయిల్ muralymanohar2008@gmail.com వెబ్సైట్ అడ్రస్ www.muralymanohar.com ఫోన్ నంబర్స్ 9246575510 9177445454